How to add photos from files to photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. You can view all your folders over here. Tap to open any folder from here. Now, open any photo in this folder. If you want to save this photo, then go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and tap on Save Image. You have now successfully saved this photo to your phone. Go back and open up the Photos app. You will find the photo you just saved over here. Following these steps, you can easily add photos from files to photos on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.